The Healing Zone Training Centre is based in Dubai since 1999, a creation of our director Anne Cook, who has a goal to support the holistic and beauty industry and all the therapists and business owners to achieve excellence.
I started the Healing Zone a long time ago, in 1999, when I had regained my own health. I actually wanted to open a well-being centre, which I did in 1999, and we were very successful because I wanted to help other people know how they could heal themselves and get well.
We provide professional training for people who would like to obtain a national and international qualification, such as SIBTAC and SIDESCO, in both the holistic and beauty therapy field.
So we started the Training Institute, and I wanted to make sure that we were setting the standard in international education for the UAE.
Our training programs are accepted by DHA and KHDA approved, and our graduates have the honour of being exempt from the mandatory internship due to the level of training and copious work the students achieve.
The teachers were very approachable. Whenever we needed advice and guidance, they would be there for us. Either this was in class or if we needed to contact them by phone or email. Inside the training center, we had all the products provided. We had everything we would see outside in the world here for us. So we could have a very good training.
We are a group of professionals from different backgrounds that bring to the team of educators a variety of perspectives and professional skills and techniques, with more than 65 years of professional experience and training between us.
So my favorite part of the training, I think, was the practical training. It's so funny when you learn something in theory and then you actually get in and you have to do it with your own hands. But it's also like, it's a little bit of a light bulb moment because you think that you are, very good if you know your theory, but then once you get the hands-on training, you start to realize, wow, okay, one thing is learning the theory, another thing is actually applying it in real life.
The education we provide is for anyone in the industry that would like to refresh or upgrade their knowledge, or for anyone that's interested or would like to make a career change.
I would recommend the qualification to whoever is interested to start a new career in the beauty industry and whoever wants to have a higher and deeper knowledge in beauty therapies.
Shorter workshop taster courses are also available as continued professional development or sample workshops to dip your toe and experience top quality training. We have created all theory classes now online, and students are able to learn at their own pace, in their own homes or on the beach.
We had online classes for theory in class. We had the chance to do case studies with real people, so gain great experience in the training center.
The practical classes are conducted in our centre in Dubai.